Yan. Okay, go. Hello guys, this is me, Andrei GOZO. If you want to know Hello guys, this is Andrei GOZO. If you want to know me and Hello guys, this is Andrei GOZO. If you want to know me and my videos, please keep on watching. We will learn about the nervous system. As you can see, how is this child remember how to breathe and how he can smell the his favorite food without even noticing it. And that's because of our nervous system. It is a network or organs and nerve that send signal throughout the body. Our nervous system controls everything we do and includes the smell, the breath, and how can we see anything or observe. Our nervous system consists of central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. It is receiving, sending. It has the biggest part, which is the cerebellum. It includes the two parts of cerebellum. The left part, which is creativity, and the right part is the analytical. The brainstem. It includes the midbrain, pons, medulla, spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system. It includes the nerves, which is the sensory nerve and the motor nerves. Sensory nerves sends the information through the motor nerve through the body to the motor nerves, which and the motor nerves sends a information throughout the body and the brain, which helps us to breathe or to smell or to see the abstract things. The nerves includes the three parts. The nucleus, dendrites, and axon. Okay. And now you learn about the nervous system. Hi, today we're back, and as you can see, this is the nervous system. The nervous system is a highly complex part of an animal that coordinates its actions and sensory information by transmitting signals to and from different parts of its body. The nervous system includes both of the central and peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is made up of the brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system is made of somatic and autonomic nervous system. The brain. The brain lies within the skull and is shaped like a mushroom. The brain consists of four principal forms: the brainstem, the cerebellum, and the diencephalon. The brain weighs approximately 1.3 to 1.4 kilograms. It has nerve cells called the neurons and supporting cells called the glia. There are two types matter in the brain: the gray matter and the white matter. The gray matter receives and stores impulses. Cell bodies of neurons and the neuroglia are in the gray matter. White matter in the brain carries impulses to and from and gray matter. It consists of the nerve fibers or axons. The brainstem is also known as medulla oblongata. It is located between the pons and the spinal cord and is only about 1 inch long. The cerebrum. The cerebrum forms the bulk of the brain and is supported on the brainstem. The cerebrum is divided into two hemispheres. Each hemisphere controls the activities of the side of the body opposite the hemisphere. The hemispheres are further divided into four lobes: frontal lobe, temporal lobes, parietal lobe, and occipital lobe. Of the cerebellum. This is located behind and below the cerebellum. And the other parts of the brain are: the midbrain provides conduction pathways to and from higher and lower centers, and the pons acts as a pathway to higher structures. The spinal cord is a long tube-like structure which extends from the brain. Here. The spinal cord is composed of a series of 31 segments. A pair of spinal nerves come out from each segment. The neuron. The neuron is a basic unit in the nervous system. It is a specialized conductor cell that receives and transmits electrochemical nerve impulses. A typical neuron has a cell body and long arms that conduct impulses from one body part to another body part. There are three different parts of the neuron: the cell body, dendrites, and the axon. The cell body of a neuron is like any other cell with a nucleus or control center. The dendrites. The cell body has several highly branched, thick extensions that appear like cables and are called dendrites. The axon. An axon is a long, thin process that carries impulses away from the cell body to another neuron or tissue. So we have to use our brain properly. That's for today. Have a good day. Bye!